Hey guys, it's me, Jerry Metalman Battaglia. I'm out here on the Lower East Side of Manhattan, right off Delancey Street. See the Williamsburg Bridge behind me, and I found a pretty old car over here, which is, reminds me of the Griswolds. But guys, check out my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Hit the bell notification as well. Leave some comments down below. It is greatly appreciated when you support this channel. I just do it generically, and always looking for classic cars. But check this out. Here's your 1985 Ford Country Squire Wagon. I mean, literally, this is like the Griswolds, guys. This thing is awesome. I'm sure there's probably a 50302 motor in there. Get that plush velour interior, and it's just pretty awesome. I would love one of these, like mint. My family never had a station wagon. Actually, my mother had a Ford Taurus wagon. But look at that interior. It's like a couch on wheels. So you can see it in there. He's got his club in there. Old school club, so you don't steal this car. But has anybody ever owned a station wagon? Maybe an Oldsmobile or a Buick or a Chevy wagon? Or maybe a Mercury wagon or a nice Country Squire like this thing. This thing is bad to the bone. So guys, again, please like and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification. Really appreciate it. It's Country Squire wagon. I'm trying to find out who owns this thing, because it is registered and inspected. But again, please support. Hit that bell notification. Hit that subscribe button. I'll be coming to you with a lot more videos this summer. I'm out here on the Lower East Side of Manhattan. Jerry Metalman Battaglia. Have a great day.